welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Stay tuned. So today I'll be making potato pudding. So I'm going to show you the potato that you should use, because we don't want to use the potato with the orange skin because it's too watery. So we want the dry potato. So we want to use real Jamaican potato. So this one, alright? So now I did grate my potato off camera because you know that will take up a lot of time. So I'm going to show you that. So I have my potato here, and I also have yam in there. Sorry, so we're going to grate that. My hands are clean. So we're going to combine the yam with the potato. Alright? I'm just going to show you. So I grate it, but if you have a food processor, that will be really good. So I use the big part to grate it, not the small one. Alright? So we're just going to grate the yam like that. This don't take up a lot of time. So now that I finished grating the yam, I'm going to combine both together. You can use your hand if you want, but I'm going to use a spoon. So this is the potato. I'm just going to combine them together like that. And I'm going to put it aside for a little bit. So I'm going to add my dry ingredients. And with this one, I'm not going to use no cornmeal in it. I don't use cornmeal in my potato pudding. I'm just going to use a little flour with that. And I will show you the whole process. Alright? So look at that, we combine both together like that. And this is nice and lovely. Got up, people, so you want to get the yam and the potato mixed very well together. Alright? So this is beautiful. And so I'm going to come, as I said, with my dry ingredients and show you. Okay guys, I did say before I'm going to do the dry ingredients, but no, I need to add my sugar and stuff to my milk. Alright, so this is 2 cans of coconut milk. So we're using the Grace coconut milk. So I'm going to put the sugar in there. So I'm going to use 2 cups of sugar. So I'm just going to add it like that, because I know what my 2 cups is, but if you're making it at home, you can measure yours. Alright, and then we're going to add some vanilla in it. So this is fine for me. So I'm going to add 3 teaspoons of vanilla in it. Like that. And I'm going to use my whisk to just whisk that out. So this is what we're going to use in the pudding as liquid, and then we're going to leave some for like when the pudding is almost baked, you just pour on top to get that jelly look, or some people say the crust look on top. Alright? So I'm going to do this and leave it aside like that, and then I'll go in with my dry ingredients and show you everything. Alright? Okay guys, so now I'm just going to add my dry ingredients. I have 1 cup of flour, so I'm just going to sieve that. And I'm going to add, don't want it to fall, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of nutmeg in it. Like that. You can grate your nutmeg if you want, nothing wrong with that. And then I have my cinnamon that I'm going to also use. So we're going to use 2 teaspoons of cinnamon as well in there. That's fine. And of course, we need a teaspoon of salt. So we're just going to sieve everything out like that into the pan. So guys, now I have my dry ingredients. I'm just gonna add my coconut milk liquid into this, because I don't want it to be lumpy. So So that's the reason why I had the coconut milk to the flour to mix it out, and not to the, and don't have the potato in it. So I just had the liquid into this first before I had my potato, because I don't want it to be very lumpy. Alright? I'm just going to go ahead and just mix it out, and then add my potato to this. Alright, so this is the flour with the liquid, guys. So that's how smooth you want it, and no lumps. Alright, so now I'm gonna add my potato into this. If you all could smell this smells so good. So now I'm gonna add my potato and yam into it, but I'm gonna add it little by little and just mix it up like that. This is really good. So you know, vegetarian can have this, and vegan can have this. Is just the pan that we grease with the butter. They can use like they can use oil to grease their pan if they want. With this, because no egg is used into this. So this will be good for them as well. We'll just mix it around like that. Beautiful. Look at that, people. Very nice. So we're going to bake this in the oven for 1 hour and 15 minutes. And you can put your oven at 350 degrees to bake this. I'm also going to add some raisin to it. So I'm going to show you all of that. Okay, guys. So look how nice this is. This lovely. Smell really, really good. So this is the texture that you're looking for when you're making a potato pudding. Alright? So I have some raisin that I was soaking with some white rum in there. You don't have to put the white rum if you don't want, but I like my potato pudding with some white rum. So I'm just going to pour this off into it like that. I'm just going to add my raisin as well, but I just want to get rid of some of the rum that's in there, so that is fine. And I'm just going to mix that in. And then I'm going to coat my raisin with flour, because I don't want them to be, the raisin just to sink at the bottom of the pan when it's fully baking. So when I coat it, it goes all over. Alright? This is lovely. Alright, so now I'm going to coat my raisin with some flour. I'm just going to add some flour on that. So we do it like this. And then we're going to add them into the mixture like that. That is good. And then I'm just going to mix up everything together like that. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Nice. And I'm going to add this to the baking tin. Okay guys, so I have my baking tin here. I'm just going to use some oil to grease this. You can use whatever oil you want. You can use butter as well. So I'm just going to use a little oil in mine. Like that. I'm going to use my hand. You can use your brush if you have that one. I'm just going to use my hand like that. So just grease the pan. And you can use like a parchment paper at the bottom if you want. Then we're going to add a liquid. Alright. I'm just going to add it like that. Let's get everything out the container. Very nice. This you also can do it outside on your coal stove. But then call it Ella Tapa, Ella Baton. You can do that too. This smells so good, people. This is amazing. Look at that. Really nice and ready for the oven. Okay guys, so now I'm going to put it in the oven for it to bake. And I'll be back. Okay guys, so now I'm going to add my liquid on top of the pudding. And then I'm going to put it back in there for an hour. For 15 minutes. And then I'll be back to show you. Okay guys, so that's the end of my potato pudding. I hope you enjoy it. Look at that, guys. Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and let me know in the comment section what you like to see I prepare next. Don't forget to hit that good old notification bell so you'll be one of the first person to be notified when I upload another video. Bye for now.